Hi guys, welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. My name is Elena and in today's video I want to show you how to wear a scarf with a dress. I'm going to use one scarf to create 3 different looks. If you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe and let me know in the comments below what kind of video tutorials about scarf you would like to see. Let's get started. I'm going to use a classic size silk scarf 35 by 35 inches. For the first style, we need to fold our scarf as a band, put it on the neck and form a half knot. A stylist tip: the knot looks better if it is placed not in the middle but on 1/3 of the length of our scarf. This style is great for office and you can easily transform it to something more romantic, just like this. A stylist tip: you have to pay attention to the ends of the scarf. There are a few ways to fold the band, and at the end of this video I will show how to make it look nice and neat. The next way to wear a scarf with a dress is to make a belt. I like to make a knot with one very long end and hide the second one. And another stylist secret: use again 1/3 proportion for asymmetry to create an accent to the waist. Also, I like to wear a scarf as a triangle on my shoulder. This is a great way to camouflage the lower part of the body. The people will see only your shoulder, neck and breast and nothing else. And now I show how I fold a scarf to a band. If you create a band from a triangle, you will end up with one thin side and another thick side with the edges. I like to fold a band from a square, just like this, so we will have both sides equal. If you like this video, hit the like button, consider to subscribe and don't forget to write down in the comments below what kind of tutorials about scarf you would like to see. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!